Hey, what's going up, bull runners? Today we find ourselves at a pivotal moment. XRP's volume has skyrocketed by an astonishing 87%, but the question lingering in the air, like a promise unfulfilled, is whether the price will follow suit. Meanwhile, MoonPay has just secured an MiCA approval in the Netherlands, opening new gateways for seamless crypto transactions. And in a bold move that could redefine real estate, Janover has decided to adopt Bitcoin as payment, blending the old world with the new. These aren't just headlines, these are keys to unlocking your next big crypto move. But time waits for no one in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Every second you delay could be the moment that you miss out on the next big surge or regulatory advantage. Stay with us until the end and you'll get an exclusive sneak peek at our new crypto community platform, Altcoin Pro, where you can connect, learn, and grow with fellow crypto explorers. Plus, we will be jumping into the charts for XRP to track it. Remember, today is the 30th of December. The last time we touched this level, the April 2021 high, was on the 10th of December. Then we retested it again on the 20th of December. And now with the 30th of December being here, will we be retesting that tonight? Checking in over here at Coin Market Cap, we currently see the market cap being at $3.22 trillion for the full crypto market. We also have the Fear and Greed Index all the way down to a 48. Last month, we were at an extreme greed level of 83. Last week was neutral at 55. Yesterday, neutral at 50, down to a 48 now. People are starting to get a little fearful of a bear market resurgence. As we take a look at altcoin season, last month we were all the way up into 70s because coins were starting to pump nicely. Last week it was down to 50, and as of yesterday, 46. Today, with a little bit of a move to the upside, we had a little bit of positive news to start the day earlier this morning. Obviously not doing so hot this later half of the day, but yesterday 46, today sitting at 47. Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 56.6, Ethereum dominance 12.4, and others 30.9. Top 5 coins by market cap right now: Bitcoin sitting at 1.8 trillion, Ethereum at 400 billion, Tether at 137 billion. They did just get delisted from Binance, and XRP currently sitting, or sorry about that, Binance Europe, just to give you, just to be sure that you're understanding that. XRP currently sitting at 116 billion. Binance coming in at 100 billion as far as market cap goes. XRP volume skyrockets 87%. Will price follow? The price of XRP is showing early signs of a rebound after a week-long drawdown fueled by more than a 6% loss at the time of writing. Data from CoinMarketCap shows a 24-hour trading volume up 87% to 4.57 billion. With this boost XRP liquidity, the coin now has the basis to fulfill any ship in demand. And from 4.57, it is now up to $6.5 billion worth of volume. XRP price is due for a rebound after the price of XRP topped $2.86 on December 3rd. It experienced a slippery slump. While there have been intermittent growths to lower highs, the sentiment over the past week has been largely bearish. However, the tide is changing with the major support lifeline spotted earlier in the ecosystem. The volume boost could catalyze the long-awaited rebound. As of writing time, the XRP price was down 4.86 to $2.08. This level shows a thinning out of the coin's large loss position XRP one-day chart. Other metrics also point to XRP's readiness to pare off its losses on the market. XRP open interest, as showcased by CoinGlass, shows a 2.66% uptick, with more than 950 million XRP committed to futures trading on exchanges. With the current outlook, XRP could have formed the needed support at the $2 price mark, with an initial target to reclaim of $2.25 resistance zone. Fundamentals also matter. More than ever, investors have the right reason to buy and hodl XRP. The Ripple Labs ecosystem is growing amid the release of its RLUSD stablecoin. As reiterated by the firm's executives, XRP and RLUSD will complement one another per liquidity provisioning. Beyond this, XRP Ledger is also evolving, ushering in new series of decentralized application and dApps that can drive adoption on the XRP market. While the coin's growth might appear stunted, the prospects of an XRP ETF product offer positive optimism in the long term. And we will be jumping into the XRP charts to go over the actual analysis here at the end of the video. AI real estate platform Janover announced that it would begin accepting Bitcoin payments in light of MicroStrategy's success in the adoption of the Satoshi Nakamoto created cryptocurrency. A Monday press release shows Janover to adopt Bitcoin payments. According to the Boca Raton base that's in Florida, Janover will accept not just Bitcoin, but Ethereum and Solana for select services in hopes of further aligning itself with market trends. The reasoning behind the organization's decision to expand into cryptocurrencies comes from increasing support for digital assets in terms of domestic policy. At Janover, we remain focused on our core business. We do, however, recognize the broadening acceptance and significant future potential of digital currencies like Bitcoin, said the company's CEO, Blake Janover. He continues on, we've seen how companies like MicroStrategy have successfully capitalized on Bitcoin's appreciation, and we believe there's an opportunity to participate in the market in a measured, responsible way. News of Janover's adoption of Bitcoin came the same day that MicroStrategy announced it had purchased another $209 million worth of cryptocurrency. On December 30th, MicroStrategy purchased Bitcoin for its 8th straight week, buying Bitcoin following the fall of 2024 surge in value. However, breaking MicroStrategy stock is now down 45% from its all-time high seen a month ago. Over this time period, it's up 1%. With Janover and other companies adopting Bitcoin-friendly approach to business, combined with expectations of regulatory relief on the industry, it may just be a matter of time before the rest of the country follows suit.
I'm looking at about 50,000 Bitcoins. Bitcoin. That puts it in at around 13 and change. But you want to pay in Bitcoin? Yeah.
You sent us an offer in Bitcoin? I'll be totally honest with you, Ryan. That's not even the biggest problem.
Okay.
This offer's $1 million below ask.
Right. At the end of the day, you could just have to look at gross value. We're asking $14 million for a 2-bedroom apartment.
And at today's prices of Bitcoin, that owner has declined on 50,000, with Bitcoin being about $94,000. $4.7 billion they turned down. And in more positive news, crypto payments firm MoonPay secures MiCA approval in the Netherlands. December 30th marked the end of the implementation phase of markets and crypto asset framework, as authorities can enforce rules on certain crypto services providers operating in the EU. MoonPay reported receiving approval to operate as a licensed crypto business in the Netherlands under the Europeans' MiCA bill. In a December 30th notice, MoonPay said that the Dutch Authority for Financial Markets had issued a crypto firma license in accordance with the MiCA regulations. The regulatory framework, first adopted in 2023, was fully enforceable for crypto asset service providers operating in EU as of December 30th. MoonPay posted this on X: achievement unlocked. We've received approval under the market MiCA that enables MoonPay to innovate crypto payments across Europe. 2025 is going to be amazing. According to MoonPay, the company will continue offering fiat to crypto on-ramps and crypto to fiat off-ramps to users under its Dutch license. MoonPay co-founder and CEO Ivan Soto Wright called for the approval a pivotal step in solidifying the crypto industry's role in the global economy. December 30th marked the end of the MiCA's implementation phase and the beginning of the 18-month transitional phase in which EU members states could allow crypto asset service providers to continue operating in their respective jurisdictions. The regulatory framework's plan grants firms grandfathered in, i.e. already operating in accordance with existing laws, the ability to continue offering services until July 2026 or until authorities decide on their licenses. Founded in 2018, MoonPay is a significant provider of fiat to crypto on-ramp users, including through PayPal for customers in the United States, United Kingdom, and EU. Reports suggest that MoonPay will also in talks to purchase HelioPay for roughly $150 million. Since proposing MiCA in 2020 and having it pass in 2023, EU policymakers have begun enforcing rules affecting different aspects of the crypto industry. Stablecoins have been subject to a framework enforcement since June 30th, prompting some exchanges to delist Tether's USDT. Let's see what Brad Garlinghouse has to say about delisting USDT.
I doubt Tether may continue to grow, but I doubt it will have the same market share in 2 years, let's say. So I think there's an opportunity, and I think bringing more liquidity on chain, bringing more liquidity on the XRPL is good for everybody in the XRP ecosystem.
So there's talks of stablecoin legislation around the corner in the United States. Do you think it's going to have a similar shakeup like it did, well, the EU regulations did, where Tether may lose some share here, and that'll be beneficial for RLUSD.
Yeah, I mean, look, I think it'd be beneficial for all stablecoins that are compliance first, that take a regulatory first, a front foot towards regulation. I don't think RLUSD would be one example of that I think will do well, but not the only one. So I do think we will get legislation. Hard to know exactly when, but hopefully sometime the next year, in the election, it's hard to make.
Now, there is a post going around right now. Binance just delisted USDT and listed RLUSD. The XRP ledger is set to handle global wealth, taking over USDT. Now, I cannot confirm this myself, but as we see right here, receiver's currency, USDT, not supported in receiver's country. I'm not in the EU, so I cannot 100% verify this, but let's take a look here. LFG, that's okay. Use a VPN. Here we go. That King XRP is a scammer, so it's not a reliable source. Fake, lies, holding out on Canadians. So if you are in the EU, please let me know down in the comment section. Is this real? Did Binance actually delist USDT? All right, so let's take a look at the charts for XRP. And as we can see, we talked about this a couple days ago. We did lose the support of the 30 exponential moving average. And we do have this box that we're currently in. This comes back to us from December 20th. We had to drop all the way down to the 30-minute time frame to find a support level. And that was this candle right here, giving us this support box for XRP. This box of support also is in line with our April 2021 support level. It was resistance, obviously, for years now. We finally broke through that on December 1st, 2024, making our way up to our new most recent high up at that $2.90 level. So now we have a very, very, very key level of support here to $1.97 that we cannot lose. Otherwise, there is potential that we drop all the way back into the $1.50 range. As we've been talking, though, there is still some signs of bullishness on the higher time frames, the daily and the weekly. One thing important right now, we are still above the 50 exponential moving average on the daily. But what we've been tracking extremely close now for the last 5 days is this 1100 exponential moving average on the 1 hour chart. Now, what we're seeing is we're having a convergence of 3 major scenarios here. One, we have the supply and demand box that we've been talking about now since December 20th being a key level of super support. We also have the April 2021 level that was a resistance now turning into a support. And we have the 1100 exponential moving average coming to collide with all of those at the same exact time. The last time we were below the 1100 exponential moving average was all the way back in November of 2024. After breaking to the upside on the 1 hour, we went on an absolute tear, now having our small pullback. Are we going to simply tap off of this 100, redo that, 1 hour, 1100 exponential moving average and move to the upside? And if you remember, the reason I called this being a very, very important level is because when we look at Bitcoin, you can see price ran above it, came back and tapped on it, and it's below it right now. That's Bitcoin, the market leader. And we have Ethereum. Price came down to the 100 exponential moving average and hovering around that as well. We have Solana, who's actually dropped farther than all of the other tokens below their 1100 exponential moving average on the 1 hour. We have SUI in the same scenario, is about to head back and tap that again. And we have XLM, it has dropped below this level here. So the 1100 exponential moving average right now, all of the coins are starting to break down and consolidate around the 1 hour 1100 exponential moving average, except for XRP. It's remained bullish above that level until now. Price is now working its way down into hitting that as a support. Now, when we drop down to even smaller level, 30 minutes, we can see that price hovered around the 30-minute 1100 exponential moving average. So XRP is continuing to hold strong, stronger than all the other tokens on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll continue to track this today or tomorrow. This 1100 exponential moving average will continue to move up. We will eventually hit it as a support level. I am looking for it to bounce to the upside from there, because if we don't, we have the support at the April 2021 high, which was $1.97. If we lose that, then like I said, we could be dropping down to a significantly lower level. We could take a quick look at this and find out where could we be going. Let's take a look on the 12-hour. So as we can see, the last time we checked in with the 12-hour, it was a support down here at that $1.50 range. After we busted through that level, it was green all the way up here. So if we go to a 4-hour, there is a 4-hour support level right in here. And we'll go ahead and box that one off. And let's put in the text here, 4-hour. So that way we can keep track of that. And we'll fill those in red. And we can see this was when the December 10th came down and tapped right into that box and immediately bought back up. So we'll continue to follow this. As I've been saying right here, this $2.10 box down to the $1.97 is the most important level right now. We will reevaluate after it breaks back above it or below it. We do know that if it does break below it, then we have an extreme support here at $1.90. And if we lose that, then it is going to be $1.50. It's going to be just, I mean, we got the inauguration coming January 20th. Are they going to try to throw some sort of crazy thing at us, black swan event where it crashes the market down? Only time will tell. That's why we play this out day by day. That's why you should subscribe. And by the way, if you want to find out more information about our inner circle, check this out.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.